everybody. Thank you for joining me at Lori Houston Art. This is such an amazing technique. We are going to be doing another 11 by 14 frame. I've got a black one as well, so I don't know at this point if I am going to use this on a black or a white frame. So I have had so many people ask for pink, and I don't do a lot of pink. So I said, you know what? We're going to do a pink frame. The last one was purple and teal. And the next one I come out, you're going to love, is in some blues. It turned out amazing. I'm waiting for it to dry. So we're going to go ahead and just take the glass out of this frame. It's just really easy to use your tweezers. I'm just going to take this out of the frame real quick. Take the glass out of the frame. Okay. We're going to set it aside. And the great thing is, you know, you have some pieces that you can reuse. All right, so we are going to start with our frame. Okay, we've got our press and seal on my nifty spinner from Winterstrom. Don't forget to check out the link below. And I've got my glass piece secure. It is very sharp. You have got to be careful. If you don't have a steady hand or you don't have good eyesight, I wouldn't recommend using glass. You know, and this is something that you should have concealed, so if it does fly off, you're not getting hurt. So I just want to make it very clear. This is glass. It's sharp. You've got to be very careful when you're using this glass. So today I am using, I'm going to go through the colors. I've got some color to go that I am going to pour down the center. Okay. This is just color to go white. No. Tip it up a little bit. I'm holding the wood, not the glass. All right. Gonna make sure that's not a goober. It is a huge goober. Yikes. Okay, got that out. Found that quickly. That's good. Again, this is very sharp. You have to be very careful when you're using this glass. All right, so I'm going to put my lid back on my color to go. I'm going to go through. We're going to pop some bubbles. All right, and I'm going to go through and very carefully, I'm just going to put some of this over to the edge. And with the glass, it does slip off of the glass. To me, a lot easier. Again, be very careful on these edges. Okay. All right, so that's not a lot of pillow paint. I know. And I'm going to, because it really goes off the glass pretty easy, I'm not going to put a ton of pillow paint. But I do want to go over the colors as I do this. So the first one that we're going to be using, this is from Cheap Joe's. We're going to start with Red Violet. I've decided to start somewhat in the center, just because with the last one I had a lot of negative space in the middle. Okay, the next color is going to be Supernova. That is a TLP. Beautiful. Bubble. All right, the next color that I'm using is, let me think. Okay, this is a combination of a light pink. It's a combination of this quinacridone rose with a squirt of this Liquitex Fluid Quinacridone Magenta. Oh yeah, and I added a little bit. That is a little too runny. That is not good. Yikes. We gotta thicken that up. Okay, the next color is going to be Venetian Rose. And I mixed a little bit of the Cheap Joe's with it. And that is gonna really hurt us, that one that's runny. I can see. Make sure that's not a hair. Okay, Quinacridone, that's Cheap Joe's and Venetian Rose. Cheap Joe's was the red violet, sorry. No, I'm all over here, I'm just distracted because that one was so runny and that's not good. This is Soho Rose Madder and Charvin Bright Magenta. That's a good consistency. I prefer it thick. Okay. All right, the next one I'm using is TLP Watermelon, one of my favorites. Pop that bubble. A lot of bubbles. There we go. TLP Watermelon. Okay, and after the TLP Watermelon, this is Arteza Armantha Red and Liquitex Magenta mixed. And I'm going to go back with this opaque red violet. This is going to be a bigger bloom on this one. All right, I'm going to do 2 cell activators. I am going to do black first. Still see a bubble in there. There we go. Black cell activator. And then I'm going to do a white one on top. Okay, we're going to set my blow dryer on cool setting and low. Pretty. Let's go ahead and use Puffy for a minute, blow some of those centers. Okay, beautiful. So that little bit of runniness didn't hurt us too much. Scared me. All right. Bubble right there. Trying to see. I see a few bubbles. There. Okay. I know you can see it's hard to lift this with it being glass. I'll bring it up. Oh, it's stuck. We won't bring it up. All right, let's do the next one. You ready? All right, we're going to do the same order. And I do like leaving, I just took Garrett Brown's class, and he had taught us about leaving a little bit of white sometimes in there. It really creates some neat things. That class was amazing. I had so much fun with Garrett. I just loved all of the things that we learned with him were just awesome. And not only is he an amazing artist, but he's so much fun, and he's such a good human being. And those bear hugs, he could charge for those. They were amazing. This is such a cool color. This Venetian Rose mixed with a little bit of that Cheap Joe's red violet. And I am in love with that Cheap Joe's red violet. That's beautiful. And we're doing this Soho Rose Madder, which is also beautiful. And it's funny, only what I found with some of these, the cheaper paint brands that I've ended up loving, they're opaque are what seems to be the way to go. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna go back with my watermelon that I love. Okay. Oh my goodness, I love these colors. I'm only going to do 2 blooms on this one. Beautiful. Let's make sure we got all of our bubbles. I do need some here. I don't like this. Very good. Okay, I'm gonna move my stuff out of the way because we are going to spin. We're gonna start spinning. Move all my colors back. Beautiful. Here we go. Look at that bloom. Beautiful. All right, I need to get some of these off the edge here. So let's do it one more time this way. Yep, there we go. Bring that right off the edge. We don't need anything on that corner. Okay, guys. Oh, I don't even know what to say about this. This is just beautiful. Look at these cells. This bloom is absolutely stunning. Oh my. Can you see how gorgeous? Go down. Let it adjust and focus over into this corner. This is going to be beautiful in a frame. Round. Look at these cells. Oh my. Amazing. Let's go down. Wow. details and the colors go all along. Do you see? Beautiful. This is probably better than the last one. I don't know. Let me know what you think. But we're going to put this in a frame, and I cannot wait to show you all the videos that I've done. I'm not sure what order I'm going to put them out, but I just cannot wait till you see some of the other creations using the same technique. Beautiful. And Jessica, I love your spinner. Gosh. Okay, I'm going to show you the dried results. Sorry, I got carried away. See you there. Hi guys. Okay, can you see, let me turn this light on, the dried results. Look how gorgeous this is. I hope that you can see. Not only is this the dried results, but I've varnished it. So I have decided on this one to not put resin on the frame. That was a client request. Can you see the Supernova? If you haven't used Supernova, you're missing out. It shifts to whatever you're using it with, and that watermelon. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got my white frame. I did decide to go with white, and I have varnished it. I do not even think at this point there's any reason to silicone it because I'm not going to put resin on it. So I'm just going to put the back on it, and I'm going to push these down. We're going to see if it holds it securely. And also, you can put a wire on here still. You don't have to use these since, you don't, if you're worried about it. Look how secure that is. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Can you see? Oh my goodness. I don't even know what to say. I think this is better than the last one. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna bring it up. I'm gonna go around, just let you see some of the colors. I love this one so much. I did a canvas too, and I framed that already. But look at here. Do you all see that? Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Wow. I appreciate each and every one of you. I can't wait to show you the next color pattern in this series. And I just did a swipe, landscape swipe on glass. That'll be coming out soon. So stay tuned. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't subscribed, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Please hit that bell, share this video. Please take care. I'm going to show you some results on the wall here, but until next time, take care. There it is, the second one on glass. This is such a fun technique. I cannot wait to share the others with you. I'm going to show you the first one that I did on glass. It's a different color palette, of course. There it is. It was dreamy beautiful. Let me know what you think. Take care. See you next time.